Did you know that this humble golden root is packed with power? Meet turmeric, nature's golden miracle. Turmeric has been used for centuries, not only in cooking, but as a powerful natural remedy. The secret? Curcumin, its active compound that gives turmeric its vibrant yellow color. From boosting your immune system to reducing inflammation, turmeric has a long list of health benefits. You can add it to your smoothies, teas, or even sprinkle it on your meals. If you're not a fan of the taste, you can also find turmeric in supplements, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. And it's not just for your health, turmeric's powerful antioxidants also make it a favorite in skincare. So, whether you're cooking, boosting your health, or enhancing your beauty routine, turmeric is the golden ingredient you need. Stay golden, and add turmeric to your life today. Visit out.u.ebuy24.shop. And see you next one.